Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how to clean up a package completely from a D365 environment. The environment is currently having two runnable classes which are in a package that we want to remove completely. Let's open the runnable class 1. Let's also open the runnable class 2. In Visual Studio, we can check them at Application Explorer. We can change the view, and currently this is a model view. Let's find out from the curious model in which there are two runnable classes there. For deleting the whole package and models inside the package completely, first we open Services. Then switch off the Microsoft Dynamics 365 batch service. Also, switch off the Microsoft Dynamics 365 DIXF service. The last one, we switch off the World Wide Web service, which can also be done using IIS. Then we go to this package's local directory and find the package folder with the name of Curious. This is the package containing the model we want to delete. Instead of deleting, we can also cut it. We go to the temporary folder and move it here. In Visual Studio, the model is still shown in Application Explorer. We go to Dynamics 365 Model Management and refresh models. Now, after refreshing, we don't see the deleted model anymore. If the model contains a data-related object, then go to Dynamics 365, Synchronize Database. Because this model has no data-related object, we don't need to do it now. Next, we start the three services which were stopped in the previous steps. Now let's check if the runnable class 1 is available. Let's also check for the runnable class 2. Both runnable classes do not exist because the package containing them has been deleted in the previous step. This is an optional step. When we open the existing solution in Visual Studio, the projects are showing as unavailable. For avoiding confusion, the unused solution and project files can be deleted. We go to Documents, Visual Studio 2015, Projects, and cut the files. We move them to a temporary folder. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support this channel. Click on the bell icon to get notification of my new videos.